Drunkardville and Pacific Railway features 2 principal mountains and 2 canyons on a folded dog bone loop with sandstone retaining walls and rockwork. Currently a single 50-foot loop, the grading and rockwork is substantially completed for 2 levels of 150-foot loops, with deliberately perilous elevations required for the future trestles and bridges over Broken Foot Canyon. The premise of this pike is to provide tanker trains of beverages for the war on thirst in Drunkardville, a bibulous town of saloons and taverns. Mount Drinkmore and Mount Brewmore add to the ambiance. Track, rolling stock, structures, and power are a menage with an emphasis on swap meet items.